time for the Animal Sounds guess game. Let's play. Yay, it's a cow. Correct, it's a horse.
Bah! Bah!
It's a sheep. Good guessing. You got it. It's a chirpy little bird. Great ears. Ribbit, ribbit. That was a frog. You're hopping into the right answers. Yes, that big trumpet sound was an elephant. Well guessed. That was a duck. You're on fire. That meow was a cat. You guessed it right. That meh sound was a goat. Great guessing. That mighty roar was a lion. You're a sound expert. Hiss, yep, that sneaky sound was a snake. Good job. You nailed it. It's a pig. That happy bark was a dog. You're amazing. That growl came from a bear. You're on a wild roll. Great guessing. More fun coming soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and keep smiling.